very well rested and ready for your first challenge because there's a lot at stake. We all want $5 grand in the bank, don't we?
Yes.
Obviously, we need the money.
OK, we've got to win this one.
This beautiful home is about to go on the market, but it's not going to attract the big bucks looking like this. It is empty. It needs a bit of love.
Absolutely. So the rules are, each team will get one space to style. You'll have 6 hours to do it. And you really need to remember to treat this house as a whole.
That's right. Think about the market, the location, and of course, who you are out to impress. Shayna, Neil and Darren set the benchmark yesterday, and today they are going to want to be wowed.
And that wow starts here, picking auction paddles to decide which room they will style. Right, you've got 6 hours. Go to it. With rooms assigned and 6 hours on the clock, the Blockheads need to get planning ASAP.
Oh, mate, this is pretty narrow. We got the upstairs bedroom. Cool, it's got storage. Very happy with the position of our bedroom. It's got the balcony, so we're classing it as the master bed.
And Hayden wastes no time taking charge.
I'll sketch it because I can do it better. We agree that we put the bed head here.
A couple of bedside tables, bed head, ottoman, a few pieces of art. So we're going to make it nice and sexy.
Yeah, sexy.
So what they are planning in their sexy bedroom is a sexy rug on the floor, ottoman at the foot of the bed, sexy bed linen and art in the corner. Downstairs in the living and dining room, sharing is caring.
Sharing.
We're sharing.
2 teams are sharing the same space.
Perfect.
OK, so I think the most important thing is to come up with the orientation.
Yeah.
We are sharing our space with Carla and Bianca. They have the dining room, so even though it's a competition, we are still styling a house for sale, so it's important that we collaborate and have that flow throughout the entire house.
So, just to clarify, Team Netball, Bianca and Carla have the dining room and Hans and Courtney have the living room.
So I guess it's just then the orientation of the room and...
So what sort of shape are you looking for? What do you think? Rectangle for a table for your dining?
Yeah. What's your colour scheme are you thinking?
I'm thinking rich. Like, I'm already picturing in my head, like, maybe like a green, like a dark green velvet.
Green.
Yeah, emerald green kind of couch.
Yeah, great.
We were really inspired last night with what the judges did, and their colour palette was very rich, like the navies, the burgundies, the emerald greens, and we decided if they liked that colour palette, we'd like it too, so we're going to do that and be inspired by their look.
And the downstairs bedroom, Sunshine Coast battlers Norm and Jess
Yeah, she's real.
want to impress the judges with their class and sophistication.
Neil Whittaker and the judges said that our last room was next level sophisticated.
I got me posh on today. Real posh. I don't really know posh people, so I'm just making it up as I go. It's going to be bloody hard, I tell you.
You never know you've got a natural talent for something until you've done it.
In their bedroom, they plan to push the posh with a bold purple throw, a green chaise lounge and big artwork on the wall.